Hey, what's going on everybody? Auterman with you here today. Now before I start this video, be sure to subscribe and have post notifications turned on so you guys don't miss any more of these value-packed videos. I also respond to every comment on every video, so make sure that you guys comment something that you learned or want to learn or a topic that you want me to cover in the future. So today we're going to be covering the 8 reasons why most traders fail. Now there's a lot more reasons, okay? There's at least 20, 25 that I can think of, but I don't want to cover 25 because you guys need to know the main reasons of why most traders fail. Could we get into, not fighting for price, not having a good enough computer? Sure, we could. But that's not actually that important because if you can't even master your psychology, fighting for price or getting a $2,000 computer is so irrelevant, it's not even funny. So I'm just gonna be covering 8. Now let's hop into it. So the first one, lack of knowledge. I can't even begin to tell you guys how many traders I see on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. New people, right? New traders coming into trading, thinking it's super easy. All they wanna do, all they're focused on is just making money. And while yeah, that's just about the only reason that anyone trades, if you just focus on money at the beginning, you are not going to be able to really set those foundations and actually learn and really know what you're doing. Everyone wants to rush into trading. They want to just open an account, learn some YouTube strategy in 2 minutes, and then start clicking buttons and hopefully become a millionaire in 2 weeks. And that just doesn't happen, guys. It takes at least a year of just pounding the charts, reading as much as you can, watching as many videos as you can, and just practicing trading as much as possible to actually have a clue of what you're doing. And even then, there's no guarantees. So that's the first reason. So the second reason is no discipline. I see so many traders that don't follow the rules, that take random trades and then go revenge trade with double the size. In what way do you think you're ever going to be successful if you can't even follow your own rules that you set out to only take trades within this trading plan? And you're over here taking crazy trades, YOLOing your entire account, jumping into 3 different markets at the same time. Guys, you have to have discipline to be able to even sniff success. I mean, discipline, quite frankly, in trading is like the bottom of the pyramid. All right?
Discipline.
Being able to not take a trade when you've already gone down, doubled your max daily loss on the day, right? And realizing, okay, just stay calm. It sucks, but it'll be all right. Just give me a week. I'll be back. That kind of stuff, 99% of people do not have that at all, right? They just want to have whatever thing they're thinking of. They want the immediate result right now, even when it's going to hurt them. And all they have to do is just wait. And in trading, literally all you have to do is just wait most of the time, and everything will work out. And now the third reason plays perfectly into the last reason, overtrading. That is the third reason. If you have no discipline, you will overtrade, right? That's why I said discipline is at the bottom of the pyramid. It's the most important. Because if you have discipline, you won't be overtrading. And overtrading is what allows for you to blow your account, your entire account, in one trading session. It should take you months to blow an account if you're actually trading with good risk management and actual strategy. And if stuff is just not working out, it should literally take you months to do that. But people love to overtrade. Why? Because it feels good, right? They hate that they just took a loss. They want to be right. They want to be green on the day. And unfortunately, sometimes you just have to sit on your hands. But people just can't do that for some reason. They have to go and take trades. Or they just get bored while they trade and they always have to be in a trade, which also allows for overtrading. And until you get disciplined enough to know when to not even be sitting at your computer, let alone even take trades, that's when you're actually going to start finding success in trading. So the fourth reason is no risk management. I see so many traders that have literally zero risk management. They have no idea what a stop loss is. They don't even know what human emotions are, trading psychology. What is that? And I can't even imagine sitting down with my own money and trading it with no plan in place of what happens if I'm not actually having success in the markets. What happens if I'm red? Where do I get out here? What percent of my account do I go in with? What percent risk of my account do I go in with? How much of my account do I risk? All of that, these traders have no idea what that is. And if you actually want to succeed and be part of the 1 to 5 to 10% of traders who actually succeed and make money, then you have to have good risk management. That's just it. There's no other way about it. Now, the fifth reason why most traders fail is that they focus too much on strategy and not enough on discipline and risk management. It is all a balance. You cannot be successful having a great strategy but no risk management. You can't be successful having risk management, good psychology, but you have no strategy, and then you can't actually succeed. You need everything. You need a good strategy, good risk management, and good trading psychology. But the thing is that strategies are a dime a dozen. They change 24/7. Every strategy that you think is proprietary and that you came up with was already tested 30 years ago. But the things that don't change is human psychology. Buying when everything's going up, selling when everything's going down. That will never, ever change. So that's the kind of stuff that if you actually master that, it's like being a natural in a sport. You don't have to work as hard to get better because you're already a natural. You just have to work a little bit harder and, as hard as you can. But you don't have to do all the extra steps that an average person coming into trading would have to do to get up to speed. Now, the sixth reason is most traders do not adapt to the markets. The market in 2018 and 2019 was very, very different from 2020 and 2021. 2022, 2023, and so far of 2024, totally different from 2020 and 2021. 2020 and 2021, you could long SPACs, the market, meme stocks, whatever, you'd make money. Just buy the dip, sell the rip, you are chilling, you make a lot of money. 2022, 2023, and 2024, yeah, there's some easy plays, but there's not even remotely close to how many easy plays there were in 2020 and 2021. You actually have to know what you're doing in order to find success. And in 2022, futures were moving amazingly. ES 100-point days, like it's normal. NQ 300, 400-point days, like it's normal. 35-point range on ES at 9:30 in the morning, super normal. Nowadays, ES 5-point range at 9:30 in the morning, pretty normal, right? So the market is always changing. You have to be able to adapt and to cut strategies and add strategies that aren't working and then find new ones that are working. Another reason why most traders fail is that they don't have a solid trading plan. A trading plan just lays out everything about how and what you want to trade, right? What do I want to trade? How do I want to trade it? What am I going to do if this happens? What am I going to do if this happens? Your rules, all that kind of stuff. And what's crazy is most traders do not even know what a trading plan is. Or they might just write down, going to trade futures, going to do this strategy, will not overtrade. And that's their trading plan. Your trading plan should be so detailed that any and every trade that you do can fit in that entire mold and not just be a random trade. Have every single thing down to a T. All right, I have a pretty good trading plan that I use. Now, do I really look at it a ton? No, not really. Why? Because I've been trading how I've been trading my strategy for so long. I don't really need to look at my trading plan and see, oh yeah, I trade stocks in the morning, right? No, it's more for beginners, but you should just always have that as just a reference of what your foundation is supposed to be. Now, if you guys want a trading plan, just DM me on Instagram and I'll send it to you for free. Now, the last reason of why most traders are not successful, and I really don't see a lot of people talking about this, is a lack of capital. Believe it or not, you actually need a substantial amount of money to make a lot of money in trading. Trading with a $2,000 account is not worth it for stocks. For futures, yeah, you can do that. But good luck trying to turn $2,000 in stocks to even $10,000. That's a 5x return in trading, which is extremely, extremely hard to do. Not to mention anything under the PDT rule is just automatically twice as hard to make money with trading. And not only that, but if you're trying to still find success, you need to have enough capital that you can keep replenishing your trading account if you keep losing money. A lot of times, business owners and traders only go out of business, only quit, only cannot find success because they didn't have enough money to keep going and to keep either, funding the business or keep your account alive and keep just working on finding success at trading. And again, it is really wild that not a lot of people talk about this, because I strongly believe that in futures, yes, you can trade with $2,000, $3,000, because again, it's futures, you don't want a lot of money in your account. But with stocks, if you're not at least above like 10,000, just keep saving your money, right? Just don't even touch it. Or yes, you can practice with a $5,000 account, but just don't expect to actually make a substantial amount of money. That's just the honest truth. I'm not going to lie to you, right? I don't see any point to doing that. You are so much better off starting a business, gaining a skill, over trading with $5,000 for stocks. So that is the 8 reasons why I believe that most traders fail. Now, if you can actually overcome all of these, I think that you have a very, very good shot at actually finding success. Now, if you guys did watch all the way to the end, please comment pickle so I know that you guys watched all the way to the end. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.